Hello friends, from 1st of April, several important changes are being introduced in the Employees Provident Fund organization, that is EPFO. If you're a salaried employee, this is very important for you because 5 major rules have changed and the 5th one is especially exciting. Let's break it down. Number 1, PF transfer becomes automatic. Before, when you changed jobs, you had to log into the EPFO portal manually and request a PF transfer. Wait for weeks and often face delays or rejection issues. Now, if your UAN and Aadhaar are properly linked, your PF balance will automatically transfer from your old company to your new company. For example, if Rahul switches from company A to company B, then earlier he had to apply manually, but now the system automatically transfers his PF money without any paperwork or follow-ups. Number 2, faster PF withdrawal. Before, PF withdrawal used to take around 7 to 15 days and sometimes even longer. Now, with the new system, you can receive your money within 24 hours to 3 days. For example, say Priya applies for PF withdrawal and earlier she waited for 10 days, but now she may receive the money in just 1 to 3 days. But here's something important. Even though PF withdrawals are getting faster, they are still not designed for emergencies. In real life, during medical or financial crisis, you need a strong backup that can support your family instantly. That is where term insurance becomes important. The Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus offers 1 crore life cover starting at just 595 rupees per month, making it a very affordable option. It also comes with a 99.7% claim settlement ratio and a 3-hour claim settlement guarantee for eligible claims, so your family gets support when it matters the most. Plus, salaried individuals and women can get up to 15% discount, and there is also an option to get back 100% of your premium under certain conditions. So while EPFO updates help manage your savings, a plan like this helps protect your family. Moving on to number 3, auto settlement limit is increased. Before, the auto approval limit for PF claims was 1 lakh. Now this limit has increased to 5 lakh, which means faster claims without manual approval. This is useful for situations like medical emergencies, marriage expenses, or urgent financial needs. Say for example, if Amit needs 3 lakh rupees for medical emergency. Earlier, it required manual approval, but now it gets auto-selected much faster. Number 4, no need to upload check or passbook. Before, while claiming PF, you had to upload a cancelled check or bank passbook photo, which often caused rejections and delays. Now, if your KYC is properly updated, you do not need to upload these documents. For example, if Sneha applies for PF, earlier she had to upload documents, but now if her KYC is verified, no upload is required. A new feature is coming soon where you will be able to withdraw PF money using ATM or UPI, just like a bank withdrawal. This feature is not fully live yet, but is expected to roll out soon. Say for example, if Ramesh needs 20,000 urgently, he can go to an ATM and withdraw the money instantly instead of waiting for approval. Now, why these changes matter? These updates make PF faster, easier, more digital, and more accessible for every employee. Earlier, the system had problems like slow processing, manual work, document hassles, and delays during emergencies. Now, the new system brings automation, speed, less paperwork, and a better user experience. So, simple summary is that PF transfer becomes automatic, withdrawal time is reduced to 1 to 3 days, auto claim limit increases from 1 lakh to 5 lakh, no document upload is required if KYC is completed, ATM or UPI withdrawal feature is coming very soon. If you are a working professional, these changes can directly impact your savings and emergency funds, so make sure your UAN, Aadhaar and KYC are properly updated. If you found this video useful, do share it with someone who should know this. And for more such simple and important updates on finance, make sure you follow and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.
Brand partnerships and advertising enquiries. Email brand@bosswala.com. WhatsApp 910-801-4192.
Bosswala. Be the boss.